We want to expose you about the most beautiful waterfalls which are present in the world. Top 10 most beautiful waterfalls around the world which are as under. First of all is the Niagara waterfalls. Being one of the biggest waterfalls is definitely one of the most attractive waterfalls of all. Every year around 12 million people visit the falls front all across the globe. This is one of the biggest waterfalls and a must visit for every traveler. The Niagara Falls is a collection of three falls between the international borders of Ontario, Canada and New York, USA. It is the highest waterfall with a drop of 50 meters approximately and the most powerful falls in the North America. Its average water flow rate is a 1834 cubic meters every second. This is definitely one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. This is a point 1. Point 2 is a Victoria Waterfalls. Situated on the river Zambezi, it is definitely one of the most breathtaking waterfalls around the world, forming the border between Zimbabwe and Zambia. The beauty of the falls is awe-inspiring. Neither the tallest nor the largest, but the falls are definitely the largest and spectacular falls with approximately 2.5 million visitors around the year. The falls is one of the most visited destinations in Africa. So if you are planning to Africa, don't forget to add the Victoria Falls. This is the most pleasing waterfall. Victoria Falls is a very famous waterfall. And point 3 is Angels Fall, world's tallest waterfall with the highest of 979 meters. It is recognized as World Heritage by UNESCO and is visited by around 1 million travelers from all across the globe within a year. Situated in Venezuela, it is amazingly spectacular falls and a must visit for a fall over. Jog Falls. Karnataka Jog Falls for Yoga Falls is one of the highest plunged waterfalls in India and it is ranked 13th among the top waterfalls around the world. Forming from Sharavati rivers, it forms one of the most visited falls in India. So if you are going to there, then you should have to visit the Jog waterfall, which is very impressive. Point 5 is Iguazu Falls, forming a boundary between Argentina and Brazil. Iguazu Falls is one of the widest waterfalls around the world. Although not famous for its heights, the falls have a very wide volume which grows extremely during the rain. The falls have thousands of visitors all around the years and in pleasing destination to add your traveling list. Point 6 Kaiaitu Falls, Guinea. Kaiaitu Falls settled somewhere down in Amazon is viewed as one of the numerous inestimable fortunes of the main forest and of South America all in all. It is additionally the biggest cascade in case you are checking by volume of water. So get ready to get wet checking in at 741 feet 226 meters. Theatre offers an extremely look into the emotional wonder of the nature, just as instead of remarkable experience. However, don't be tickled by the fairly remote area. Theatre was found in 1870 and has been unquestionable requirement sea travel experience almost from the point onward. Point 7. Gullfoss, Iceland. Effectively, Iceland is the most renowned fascination. Gullfoss is enormous on the waterway habitat which begins in the chilly lake Langjökull. Gullfoss signifies brilliant falls on the ground that could silt in the water, turn the falls brilliant in the daylight. The 32-meter tall cascade plunges in two phases at almost straight point to one another. As one first approaches the falls, the cleft is vacant from view, with the goal that apparently the strong habitat stream basically disappear into the earth. This irregular quality of the falls makes it both one of the unique and significant. Point 8. Weeping Falls, Hawaii. This is cascade in abundance is one of the world's most beautiful islands. A progression of roaring cascade cuts sharp lines into the 15-14 meters Mount Vanilla on the island of Kauai, Hawaii, to shape what is known as the Weeping Wall. Is the second wettest spot on Earth, accepting approximately 450 crores of precipitation for each year. A record of 683 inches fell there in 2002. The upper range of the divider are quite often secured by downpour, which in fact the old fountain of liquid magma summit just look through the 20 days every year, flying into the cavity and watching the weeping wall is a magnificent, luring and visuality. Point 9 is National Park. Yosemite Falls National Park, situated in one of the most excellent national parks of USA. This is one of the tallest in North America and fifth most noteworthy on the planet. Yosemite Falls is likewise known for its moonbow show in spring and a snow one that structured at the base of the upper falls in winter. Subsequently, by snow liquefy, the peninsula spill over is commonly in May or June, and the thunder of the falls can be heard in various parts of the segment of the Yosemite Valley. Sutherland Falls, New Zealand. Tracked away on the New Zealand, Sutherland is in the amazing Sutherland Falls, despite the fact that the jury still out of the Sutherland Falls is in New Zealand tallest at its stately 1009.4580 meters. It is definitely great enough to now even the hardest to please, despite the fact that Sutherland Fall has been claimed since 1890. This is the most important Sutherland Fall which is situated in New Zealand, and I appreciate and I think we should have to visit it. This is a present by World Informative Channel to you for giving you information in English. We often present these often tell to you about the information, about the general knowledge and much more. I hope that you will think it more visible for your information. Thank you for watching. Inshallah we shall meet again tomorrow with a new video.